last video, we talked about the first day of Lai Harauba festival and the ritual of Lai Ekopatpa, which is performed on the first day. Today, we will dive into the ritual and celebration during the first and last 2 days of the festival. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button. Thank you. The ritual begins with Yakai role performed by the Pena artist or Pena Maiva, followed by Maibi Lemang Pamba, in which the Amaibi delivers the message of the god by performing rituals and delivers the prophecy of the people of the village. It is followed by Lailang ritual for the god. In the afternoon, people dress in traditional attire come to Laibung or shrine with offerings led by Amaibi with music bands. After reaching the Laibung, Amaibi and Amaiva lead the people in offering Jagoi, a traditional dance from Manipur, to the local deity known as Umanglai to the Manipuris. They perform several forms of Jagoi as part of the festival. People of all ages participate in the Jagoi. An interesting fact about the traditional Jagoi of Manipur is that these forms of dances are not known to the rest of the world like the famous Manipuri dance or Jagoi Rasa dance. The famous Manipuri Jagoi Ras is developed from traditional dances generally performed during the Lai Harauba festival. In the Manipuri Ras dance, the story is about the Hindu mythology of Krishna and Radha. But the dance movement associated with the Manipuri Rasa dance is taken from the traditional dance forms of Manipur, which was developed thousands of years before the advent of Hinduism in Manipur. Hindu religion was introduced in Manipur only in the late 18th century during the King Pamheva's reign. On the other hand, Lai Harauba ritual begins from the prehistoric period when gods used to roam on the earth among humans according to mythical belief. Jagoi offering continues for several hours before the other ritual begins. The other rituals symbolize prayer for prosperity, peace, good health, development, and others. After the Jagoi offering, the Amaibi and Pena Maiva perform the Laivola Thava ritual. which begins with Lai Ho Jagoi and then Lai Sing Jagoi and Lai Pek Jagoi. Lai Baula Thaba consists of several rituals in dance forms. Crossing before the Amaibi during the ritual is strictly forbidden. The Lai Pek Jagoi is followed by Khubak Jagoi and then Longdai Jagoi, Khutsa Jagoi, Khubak Jagoi, and other types of ritual dance includes Napa Jagoi, Kutum Jagoi, Pibul Jagoi, and Hori Hoya Lauba ritual symbolizes formation of a sun. In this ritual, the head Amaibi will tell the participants, and the participant, mainly the other Amaibis, will perform the sequence of formation of human embryo in the mother's womb, right from fertilization to development of human organs, next by next, one by one, till childbirth, and further continues till the growth of the son, and till he becomes a grown adult and makes his own house and ready to set up his own family. The ritual begins with Laishi Jagoi and followed by Yumsarol Jagoi, Pamyalon Jagoi, Panthoivi Jagoi, Pisharol Jagoi, Pamhai Jagoi, and Longpol Jagoi. After the ritual, 3 unmarried men from Laningthau Pana and 3 unmarried women from Larembi Pana participate in the ritual, which involves a race between the two groups. The race is held 3 times, with each participant taking the lead. It is believed that in the last race, the 2 teams must reach the target at the exact same moment, so that peace, prosperity, and gender equality prevails in the locality in the years to come. Then the Amaibi perform the Padol Jagoi ritual, and it involves dance rituals like Laishi Jagoi, Khubak Longthokpi Jagoi, and Larel Mathek Jagoi. Next is the Pibul Habi Jagoi, which also involves several dance rituals including the Songkong Yepa and Songkong Koiba, Pasuba, and Larel Mathek rituals. It is then followed by Laningthau Larembi Yaya Lauba. The Amaiba tells the Laiba participants to do the rituals. The next ritual is Laningthau Larembi Pareng Khainaba. And then followed by Laningthau Larembi Punsinba. Then the head Amaiba performs the Wakol Lauba ritual. After Wakol Lauba, the Pena Amaiba performs the Lai Nakshumba ritual is symbolized putting the god into sleep by playing pena. The ritual marks the end of the festival for the day. These daily rituals continue throughout the period of the festival.